This movie is all about data. Data is a collection of numbers. In this movie, we are going to look at a set of data and we are going to find the maximum, minimum, range, mode, and median. As you can see, these are all very important words that you should know. This is Fred. Everyone say hi, Fred. He is working on his multiplication facts. Here are his most recent scores from his time tests. This is a collection of data. Data should be put into a chart or a graph. This helps to organize the data so that you can see right away which scores he got a lot of and which scores he got few or none of. The way that we are going to organize this data is to put it in a line plot. For each one of his scores, I'm going to put an X on the plot. You can see that as I'm adding them to the line plot, I'm crossing them off. That way I keep organized and I don't do a number twice or skip a number. As I'm doing this, it should be very clear which scores he got the most, which scores he got the least, and which scores he did not get any of. Be thinking of that as I finish this line plot. Our data is now organized into a chart. The first word that we are going to find is the maximum. The maximum is the largest number in any set of data. So in this case, it would be the test that he scored the highest in. As I look at my line plot, I'm looking for the largest number. I see there is one X above 50. That's the largest number on our plot, and he did get that score. The maximum score for his test is 50. The minimum is the smallest number in a set of data, or the smallest number of problems he got correct on his time test. I'm looking for the blue X with the smallest number. I see that there's an X above the number 38. That is the minimum. So maximum is the largest and minimum is the smallest. We are now going to find the range. The range is the maximum, which in our set of data was 50, minus the minimum, which was 38. 50 minus 38 is 12. The range in this set of data is 12. Next, we are going to find the mode. The mode is the number that occurs the most often, so the score that he got the most often in his time tests. The way that I remember this is I think that the word mode sort of sounds like the word most. Mode means most. As I take a look at my line plot, I see that there is one number that happened the most often in his time tests. Can you find that number? You should have said number 49. The mode in this set of data is number 49. He got 3 scores of 49. That's the most scores he got of any number. Lastly, we are going to find the median for this set of data. The median is the middle number in a set of data. Before you can find the median, you need to put the numbers in order from smallest to largest. As you can see, I wrote this text in red and surrounded it by stars. That's because it's very important and it's something you need to remember. You must put the numbers in order from smallest to largest. This is his set of data. We have the smallest number 38, the largest number 50, and the numbers in order from smallest to largest in between. We want to find the number that's in the middle. The way that we do that is we cross off the numbers, one in the beginning, one in the end of the list, and we do that again and again, back and forth, beginning and end, until we find one that's in the middle. The median number for this set of data is 48. Fred says, "Thank you for helping me analyze my data."